I think what I'm going to do is do my cushion. I want to do a small pin cushion. I've cut that off. Never goes to waste because we can use that in all kinds of things. I'm going to do like try an oval cushion for a change. So cut the ends off, corners should I say. Do the same with this side. Now, you know I like to leave a ledge. Oh, do you know, that's fine. I'm okay with that. I like to leave an edge that I can add lace to. So all I'm going to do with that now is pull this back and we glue it. Okay, we're just going to do that. Drop that down. Push that on. And then fill that with some wadding. And I'm going to use this soft wadding because I love using this. And we might need, we don't want to fill too much. We just want to, I got the end that bit. Pop that in. Make sure you get it into the edges. So poke it in. Now we can wandle that about afterwards. So first of all, we need to just make sure we've got this glued in. Push that in for now, and then you pull this and flatten that together. Any little gaps you can go and fill in, like that. Push the fabric in. See, anything that's come undone. Oh, me glue. Okay, that's right. So what I'm going to do with mine is to take hold of some of my oops a daisy. Right, I just want to tell you this. These are back in stock. You're getting 3 different lots or 4 different lots of stamen, some small flowers, beaded stems, fancy stems, and these are foam flowers, and the packs are still in stock. We've just put some new ones in, so grab them while you can. There's a lot of those gone out. Just letting you know. Yeah, so right now, can I avoid, I don't like wasting. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some pink trim that I have to edge this. It's going to be really pretty. Yeah, okay. Now, this has got like a, it's tulle, and it's just got an edge, but I'm going to fold that in because that will glue down. I don't pull it at all. I'm just easing that in. And then we'll cut that there. And just make sure that bit's glued down. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, is that a bit square? It doesn't matter, I'm not fussed at all. I never, ever, 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 ever fuss. I'm going to just start on one corner. This will be the corner where I put a flower or something, so that's fine. Look at this though. It's not the right pink. I could put one of those on. No, I don't like the green. I do like that though. So, I've just got so many I have to use up. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's different, isn't it? Oh, I like that. Well, and then I've got these bows as well. Let me just see. Oh, look, and that'd match, wouldn't it? Oh, I'm going to go like that, I think. See, the thing is, it's your... Oh, I don't know about that. I'm changing my mind slowly. Don't know about that one. I definitely want that. I'm going to put that here. Yeah, I'm definitely going to put that there. I love that. And I don't really have to do too much with it at all. And just, you know... let somebody else do whatever they want to do with it. But I love that. But I'm going to put something across here, which I should have done first before I put that on. But here, I'm not bothered at all. And that's the best thing about being creative. You can change your mind as often as you like. I prefer this one for this particular project. Now, I did some tassels, didn't I, the other day? Here. There we are. Some little tassels. This one is beautiful. This one. Yeah. So I'm going to add that one. Just in there. But that needs to have... Shush! Now, I just love them. Do you remember I made them by hand? And we could put that on it. Oh, that's beautiful. Or we could just stick one of those. I like that. Another glue stick, mate. And that's all it needs. Handmade tassel, beaded tassel. Love this. See how easy? I showed you how to make these the other day. Handmade leaves, handmade flower, handmade rose, handmade cushion. And that's all you need. And yeah. I don't think it needs anything else. You want to put anything else on it, you do that. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.